Hi all, Chris here with an update on my 1964 Astor G10L portable phonograph and AM radio. So in the mail today I got a new cartridge for it, as the old one was pretty weak and useless. So I've got that all installed now. And it was having some issues with the speed. It was turning, the turntable was a bit slower than it should have been. Even despite me giving everything a good oil up. So came up with a bit of a redneck repair solution. Some duct tape around the inside of a platter. So that seems to have done the trick pretty well. So yeah. So yeah, it's working pretty good now. It sounds much better than it did before. So all it really needs now is a quick clean up from some of the oil and grease I managed to get on it. There it is, so cheers. Chris.